Ever wondered how your spreadsheet can turn into a live, interactive map in just a few clicks? With MAPOG, turn your data into dynamic, interactive maps. Watch your spreadsheet come alive on screen. First, head to story.mapog.com. Click Create New Map, give it a name and description. Then save it. Go to the Process Data, then click on to Upload CSV/Excel file under Add/Upload Data and upload your CSV file. Just make sure your file contains latitude and longitude, WKT, or geocodes columns for accurate mapping. Put latitude and longitude in respective field. Once published, you'll instantly see your data points appear. Use MAPOG style layer to view the population data in heat map style for better visualization. Finally, preview and share your map and make it public or embedded in different platforms. From school maps to emergency reports, MAPOG helps bring your data to life, visually and interactively. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.